to the kitchen where I'm excited today to be sharing a recipe for a real comfort food, chicken pot pie. And you'll see why this is so comforting when we start putting it together, because part of the comfort is that it's so easy. Before we start, I'll just remind you how important it is we find foods that we can connect with, like this one, foods that are satisfying. Managing diabetes effectively works so much better when we aren't forbidden from foods that we've known and loved. Ready? You may be surprised that there aren't any huge modifications to the dish you've known and loved. Oh wait, maybe one thing. You will be able to easily find the chicken in this recipe. Here are the simple ingredients. 1 pre-made pie shell, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 can cream of potato soup, 3/4 cup frozen peas and carrots, 2 teaspoons rosemary dried. Preparation starts by cutting the chicken into bite-sized chunks and sautéing these with only a little nonstick spray until the chicken is cooked through. You can, of course, freeze cooked chicken like this and save some time on this step. While the chicken is cooking, we want to steam or microwave the peas and carrots too, so that they are completely done. Drain if there is any excess liquid. Now, the pie crust. Check the directions about thawing or not, and about covering the edges while baking. We are simply filling the crust with the cooked chicken, the peas and carrots, and the potato soup. The soup I'm using is not condensed soup. If you're using condensed potato soup, you'll need to thin it with water until you can fill the spaces left between the chicken and the vegetables. Lastly, sprinkle the rosemary. Now it's into our oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Remember to watch the edges of the pie shell for getting too done. And after that short wait, we have a wonderful and rich chicken pot pie. This recipe makes 6 servings and each is 288 calories, 21 grams carb, 15 grams total fat, 17 grams protein, 406 milligrams sodium. You're going to love this chicken pot pie recipe. It's been one of my very favorites for many years, and I keep coming back to it. I might remind you that the options for potato soup include soups with bacon, soups with cheese, you know what I mean. Let's just say that if we drift away from straight potato soup, the nutrition information will be significantly off. This is a good time to resist temptation and stick with the plain potato. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you again soon.